Let's turn these headlights from this to this. It's very common for headlights to become deteriorated and look cloudy like this over time. What happens is the protective clear coat that they're sprayed with begins to fade and get sun damaged, and the plastic itself, just same thing, gets damaged from the sun over time. So we're going to clean up these headlights and make them look just like new. Let's start by removing the headlights. Obviously you can do this in the truck, but it is easier to do on a workbench. Okay, well, first step is actually I need to clean my workbench. As you can see here, it's a bit of a mess. You know how it is. So to get started on these headlights, what you're going to need is some 1000 grit wet or dry, some 2000 grit wet or dry, and some polishing compound. Then once you have them all cleaned down and polished and you've removed all the oxidation, they should look like new. And then you just want to hit them with some clear coat, and that's going to bring back a nice clear shine to them. And then just to help, a little bit of paper towel and Windex just to keep everything clean. We're just going to soak down the headlight and then start sanding with our 1000 grit. You don't want to sand the whole headlight, but focus mostly on the faded and oxidized areas. Starting to clear up already and the yellow's going away. Now on to 2000 grit. You can see just from sanding up to 2000 grit, it's a whole lot clearer than it was when we started. After the 2000 grit, we're going to hit it with a light polish, just with polishing compound right here. Basically, all this process has done is we've used the sandpaper to scratch off the top oxidized layer of clear coat and plastic, and then use the polishing compound to polish out all of those scratches from sanding it off. Now we should be left with a nice smooth surface once cleaned off that can be recoated with clear coat. And now what the clear coat will do is it'll protect the plastic and it'll fill any of those micro scratches that we created. Now, while I'm cleaning up this headlight, I also want to upgrade from this halogen bulb to an LED. So we're going to make this LED bulb fit in here. Once your headlight has been polished, cleaned, and dried, you can hit it with a thin coat of clear coat. Now do nice thin coats and make sure the area is warm or you end up with the clear coat flaking off or orange peely. And do a thin coat at a time so you don't end up with any runs. This should fill any of the scratches that you created, giving it a nice new shine. Give that coat a couple minutes to dry, then hit it with another coat. It might take 2 or 3 coats to have it looking shiny and new. First coat is dry. Another thin coat on there. Now, of course, I'm going to clean up this other headlight too now. One thing you can do if you don't want to waste so much time sanding and if it's not in too bad a condition is just wipe it clean and give it a coat of clear coat. And if it's not too poorly damaged, it might look just as good once you're done. Clear coat will fill a lot of the scratches and make it look like new. These headlights weren't the best example I could give you since they're in pretty good shape as far as old headlights go. Most of the time I'm doing this with something that's completely clouded over. These weren't that bad, so there isn't a huge change. Next time I find a set of really bad headlights, I'll definitely make a video on that. So this here is the headlight on in. This is the one that hasn't been restored yet. However, I did put the LED bulb in there, and it's got an LED marker now too. And then here's the one that has been restored. As you can see, light shines through a lot better. It's definitely not new. You can see the deterioration on the inside, but it's way easier to see through now.